something up there somewhere, Buster.
And then something down there too. Is the water still on?
No.
Oh, this is after the water's off.
Well, it'll be in the walls and that, so it's got to go somewhere. Where is this coming from?
Shall we rip down the ceiling?
Well, we're going to have to open the ceiling up for sure. Do you remember, is there any pipes running this wall going upstairs?
I don't know. I didn't do that. I don't think so, though. I think they go up behind this, up along the stairs. Everything comes up from below. But then again, I'm not really sure.
Well, we're putting batteries back in my truck. This water laying here, water over there, that almost tells me there's a leak up in here, in this area. That other bathroom is pretty much right over this.
Here's right here. If you look, this is the tub right there,
Okay.
and then the toilet pipe comes down back in the back corner in there. Because you can't really get in there.
Okay.
So that's the bathroom up there.
Okay, so then the sink will be over here somewhere.
I guess just in the next room.
Right here.